Hey there, fellow streamers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling a super handy topic: how to change video quality on Prime Video. Whether you're on a slow internet connection and want to save data, or you're craving that Ultra HD experience, adjusting video quality is a game changer. Let's dive right in. First off, why bother changing video quality? Well, it helps optimize your viewing based on your device, internet speed, and data plan. Prime Video offers options like SD, HD, or even 4K, depending on what's available. The process is straightforward on both mobile and desktop, so I'll cover both for you. Starting with the mobile app, which is what most people use on the go. Open your Prime Video app on your smartphone or tablet. Once you're in, select the video you want to watch. Now, as the video starts playing, look for the settings icon. It's usually a gear or 3 dots in the bottom right corner. Tap on that, and you'll see a menu with playback options. Scroll down to Video Quality or Data Usage. Here, you can choose from available settings like Good for SD, Better for HD, or Best for the highest quality your device supports. Make your selection, and voila! The change takes effect immediately for that video. If you're watching on a computer via the Prime Video website, it's just as simple. Head to the Prime Video site on your browser and log in. Pick your show or movie and start playing it. You'll notice a gear icon in the bottom right of the video player. Click on that to open settings. Look for the Quality or Resolution option in the drop-down. Select your preferred quality, such as 1080p or 4K if available, and you're all set. Remember, your internet speed might limit these options, so choose wisely to avoid buffering. A quick tip: if you're on a metered connection, always go for lower quality to save data. Also, check Prime Video's settings in your account to set a default quality for all videos. That way, you won't have to adjust it every time. There you have it. Changing video quality on Prime Video is quick and easy, enhancing your binge-watching sessions without the hassle. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.